If you want to hear my recommendations for the rest of the Ulta sale, then keep on watching. Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm Ariell. I do mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle vlogs. So if those are the type of videos you're into, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and come join the family. So we've reached the end of the Ulta sale, you guys. They've released the items that are going to be on sale March 22nd through 28th. So all of these items are going to be 50% off. So starting on the 22nd, the Buxom full-on plumping lip cream is going to be 50% off. The regular price is $25. Buxom does have some really good lip products. I haven't tried this particular product, the plumping lip cream, but I have tried some of their glosses, which I really like. So I'm thinking about maybe trying this. They have a nude pink called White Russian that looks really nice. I think that would be nice to like brighten up a lip combo. And then also there's another shade called Mudslide, which is a rose pink that I think would be really pretty. It sort of reminds me of one of their other glosses that I use. And then there's one that looks like a straight up nude shade, and that one's called Hot Toddy. And it's described as a tawny nude, but to me it's just like a brown nude, like a neutral nude shade. Then they're gonna have the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on sale. That's a classic for a lot of people. I used to use it years ago and it's a really good mascara. I only stopped using it to try other products, but I do recommend it. Also on the 22nd, they're gonna have one of my top favorite foundations on sale. Highly recommend you guys pick this one up. It's the Lancome Ultra Care and Glow foundation. This foundation looks like your skin but better, literally. It's not one of those foundations that just looks like a pretty natural foundation. It's one of those foundations that makes you look like you have pretty skin, if you get what I'm saying. It's like looks like it's melted into your skin. Beautiful, gives you that yummy plushy skin look, and it's slightly plumping. Y'all, it's beautiful on the skin. Highly recommend it for any skin type, especially for my ladies over 40. So I'll put all the information in the description box as far as the shades that I wear. Also, the Rem Beauty Sweetener Concealer is going to be on sale. I used to wear this concealer a lot when it first came out, and it's not bad at all. I just found myself not reaching for it because it's in a pot and I have to like use a brush, and I'd rather use something that I could just apply straight to the face. But it's a good concealer. It's like one of those medium to full coverage concealers, sort of creamy and emollient, but it's a nice concealer. And I would recommend this concealer for any skin type. They do have a couple of Lorac palettes that are going to be on sale, some eyeshadow palettes. I hadn't used them in years. So if they hadn't changed the formula, I do recommend them. Super pigmented, buttery, really great quality. So to get them for $20, because the regular price is $40, that's one that I would recommend. If you're in the market for a new eyeshadow palette, you may want to pick one of these up. And it looks like the shades they have are a lot of everyday wearable shades, as well as some that you can get some really nice nighttime looks out of. Moving on to the 23rd, they do have the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer on sale. Full coverage flawless concealer. There's also another IT Cosmetics brush that's going to be 50% off. It is a foundation brush and I do like their brushes. The Giorgio Armani Aqua fragrance is going to be 50% off as well. Not sure what size it will be. I haven't tried this one, but I've heard amazing things about it. It is an aquatic fragrance. It has notes of Mediterranean sea with a blend of jasmine, lemon, and cedar. So it does sound interesting. Comment down below if you've tried this before. What are your thoughts? Also, the Sunday Riley CEO Afterglow Brightening Vitamin C Moisturizer is on sale. I've bought this one a couple of times before, usually in sets, and it is a good moisturizer. Their regular CEO cream, not the Afterglow one, but the regular one with the all orange bottle, I think it's a little bit better than this one, but this is still a good one. This would be number 2 to that one. I like this one more so for daytime because it does give you more of that brightening awake look. Also on the 23rd, a Sniff fragrance is on sale. This one's Sweet Ash. It's a toilette, so it's probably not as strong as some other fragrances that you guys may use, But if you guys follow Paul Reacts on Instagram or TikTok, he's like a fragrance reviewer, and this is one of his. After he just posted a video maybe like a week or two ago saying that he owns 700 fragrances and this is like in his top 5. I think it's worth maybe checking out. Let's see what the notes are. So this one has notes of juniper, fir, balsam, tonka, vanilla, and white moss. So this is going to be a very earthy vanilla. I'm not too much into earthy vanillas, so I probably won't be picking it up. But if you're that person, if these notes sound appealing to you, you might want to look into this one. So Rabanne makeup, their Euphoria Color Shot Metallic Liquid Shadows are going to be on sale. These are amazing quality shadows, you guys, amazing. The regular price is $25, so you're going to be paying half of that, which is a steal. Their quality is excellent. I've tried all of their eye products. They are great. So if you're in the market for like a bold shadow or like a metallic shadow or like something show-stopping, but you didn't want to buy a whole palette and you just wanted maybe 1 or 2 shades, check this one out. If I were to describe these liquid shadows in one word, I would say show-stopping. That's it, and that's all. If you're near an Ulta, go swatch the Rabanne shadows and the liquid shadows and you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Moving on to the 24th. So Tarte does have their Sculpt tape contours, their blush tapes, and their highlighter tapes. All of their, in the wand type situations are going to be 50% off. Also on the 24th, MAC Cosmetics has their Excess Gel Pencil Eyeliners on sale. They have 16 unique shades to choose from. So if you're in the market for a long-lasting pencil, just take a look at those shades and see if anything interests you. I don't wear colored liners too often, but I was thinking about maybe trying the purple one. But I know it's something I probably wouldn't wear often, but I was thinking about trying the purple one. Also, MAC's Brush Stroke Eyeliner, their felt tip liner is going to be 50% off, and I do recommend it. Their felt tip liners are really good. They were actually my introduction into felt tip liners 10-15 years ago, and they are good. Moving on to the 25th, Juvia's Place lippies are going to be on sale. I recommend almost anything Juvia's Place, but you can't go wrong with pretty much any of their lip products. So their velvety matte lipsticks are going to be on sale, the nude collection. I like all of the colors, you guys. They do have 12 shades to choose from. They're pretty long lasting, and they're not like those super dry mattes that kind of make your lips cracky. They're comfortable, so I do like them. And then the Juvia's Place Volumizing Gloss Stick. Now this is one of their newer lip products. They also have 12 shades in that one as well. So I'll probably be picking up maybe 1 or 2 of those because I hadn't tried them yet. I think I want to try the shade Blackberry, which is the darkest shade, and then maybe the shade Rich Honey, because I have another honey color from them that I love, but this Rich Honey looks really nice. Also, their lip oils are going to be 50% off. Can y'all believe I hadn't tried Juvia's Place lip oils yet? Looks like they have 5 shades to choose from. Hopefully that pink one will be back in stock because it looks like it's already out of stock. So hopefully they'll restock before the sales date for this. But I would want to try the pink one and maybe the orange one. I have very much an unhealthy love and obsession with lip oils in general. So definitely want to try this out. Really hoping the pink one's back in stock. Also, Juvia's Place Luxe lip liners are going to be 50% off. Regular price $10. To pay $5 for these lip liners is a steal, you guys. I do recommend them. They're not the most long wearing, but they are pigmented, creamy, and smooth to apply on the lip. I do recommend So Rare. It's like a medium to dark shade of brown. It's a dupe for Cork from MAC. So if you like Cork from MAC, this would be a dupe. They're like the exact same shade. It was actually So Rare was actually in my empties video that uploaded last week. And it looks like the other ones might be sold out at the moment. So again, like the lip oils, hopefully they'll have the other shades back in stock, but I do recommend them. The Juvia's Place Silky Glass Gloss is going to be on sale for 50% off. So I have the shade Honey Honey, which I really like. It's a gloss, but it's a thinner gloss. gloss. It's really thin. It's not like one of those thick plushy glosses, and you only need a little bit because if you put too much it will get on the teeth, but the shades are beautiful. So this is the shade Honey Honey, which is just a beautiful peachy nude, gorgeous on African American skin tones, especially if you're like a chocolate, like a really dark skin. Y'all, this is the perfect nude for dark skin. Even if you're lighter than me or much darker than me, beautiful with a brown liner. Also, the Juvia's Place coffee shop liners